Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After enjoying those sweet treats from last month, I'm definitely feeling super satisfied. But I'm also feeling a few pounds heavier. So for this month, I thought we would balance out our indulgences by doing a new theme, Junk-Free January. For this month of January, we will be making 4 recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those sweet treats. For this week's episode, we will be making some egg white bites. For this recipe, you will need just 7 ingredients. 20 egg whites. You can of course get them from whole eggs, but that's a lot of work, so just use carton egg whites. Also, they come with exactly 20 egg whites. Convenient. You will also need 2 whole eggs, a tomato, an onion, some dried basil, and some salt and ground pepper. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, while we wait, we'll chop up the vegetables. Dice your onion and tomato into small pieces and place them into a bowl together. Next, in a medium bowl, add the egg whites and eggs and then whisk to combine. Once your egg mixture is ready, grab your muffin pan and give it a good amount of oil spray to make sure that the bites don't stick to the pan. Once that's ready, pour the mixture into the cups evenly. The recipe I was following said that this amount of egg mixture was good for 12 egg bites, but I found that, at least for my pan, it was actually good enough for at least double that. So, instead of pouring to the top of the pan, pour your egg mixture to about half the muffin well so that you have room to add your vegetables. Speaking of which, once you're done pouring your egg mixture, add in a spoonful of your onion and tomato mixture. Then top that off with your dried basil. And don't forget to add the salt and pepper. I found that it helps to give it a quick mix once everything's in so that everything is mixed together evenly. Then, when your egg bites are ready, place them in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until they fully solidify. Once they're done, let them cool for a little bit, and then remove them from the pan. I find using a knife helps them get unstuck if you're having difficulties removing them. And with that, your egg white bites are now ready to eat. So this recipe is one that I found a long time ago, but I just never got around to making it. And so I thought that this theme would be a perfect opportunity to check them out. One thing that I like about this recipe is how simple, quick, and easy it is. I also love how versatile it is, and how easily you can just change the vegetables to give it a different taste. And of course, they're being featured here because they are a good on-the-go food with a decent amount of protein per puck. I found this recipe written by Michael Matthews on his website legionathletics.com, which has a lot of cool and useful information about nutrition and exercise, so I highly recommend checking it out. He also has this cookbook called The Shredded Chef, where this recipe is apparently from, though I couldn't seem to find it. I did find a few other recipes, however, so we'll be doing those in the next few weeks. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.